Okay, everybody. This is June 27th, 2023. Time is now, I'll tell you the time. Gotta look on my phone here. But I just coming on here real quick to show the smoke. It's 7:50 p.m., so it's 10 to 8 p.m. So let's take the drone forward a little bit and go up. I want to go back that way. Okay, we're up there, everybody, and right there we're facing exactly east. And we got a lot of smoke in the sky, and I just gonna want to make this just a quick short video. Okay, so let's go up. Right now, I want to go up higher. Let me see where I'm at. Forward a little bit. I don't want to go much further. I'll end up losing it, but yeah. Look at this sky, everybody. It's my east sky. You shouldn't see red. I think all the red we're seeing, they're saying, oh, the sun, this and that red is from the smoke. Well, right here, I think this clearly proves. I just lost my glasses. I think this clearly proves the sun is shining on a red object. That's my take on it. Let's see. I'm going to try to go a little higher today. $212 feet, everybody. Let me go ahead, and we'll just circle around. Well, like I say, I just want this to be a real quick video. I mean, look at that. That is terrible. I'm wearing a mask, so, and the breathing's hard. Well, I got COPD. It's south, southwest. And that's west, everybody. Oh, we get the sun in there. Wow. Better look at this. Looking at my compass again, everybody. And I gotta do something different there with these masks on. My glasses are steaming up. Let's see, we gotta go. All right, everybody, right now that's directly west. And that sun's gonna move down to the right. But look at that. It looks like there's two objects there, don't it? Hard to tell. But yeah, that's how bad our smoke is. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring it in and end this video, you guys. Just doing a little quick little turnaround. Do one more 360 and then I'm out of here, everybody. And I thank each and every one of you for watching. And I just want to shout out Super Dave 44. If you guys don't know Super Dave, I'll leave a link in the channel. Please go subscribe to him. Very good guy. And I support him. So go check him out, everybody. I think you guys will enjoy him. There we go. So I'm going to get back down. Which way? We'll get a shot right here. Yeah, I want to get a shot here. Right now I'm at only 47 feet. Really see the smoke. Okay, everybody, I'm going to end it and bring it home. So, thanks for watching. And be safe.